Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Wise application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Wise application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, log in using your email address or your phone number, and you can also log in using your biometrics or PIN. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which, if you wish to change your password, then tap on your account icon at the top left corner. You will now see your account settings, within which you can tap on the settings option, and from here tap on privacy and security. You will now see the change password option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked to enter your current password followed by your desired new password. Type in your current password within the current password box and then enter your new password underneath. Once you enter both your current and new password, you can tap on the change password button and your password will immediately be changed on your Wise account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the Wise app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.